Hello everyone, this is Ms Kiri here, and today we are going to read the book Give Me Some Space by Philip Bunting. Ever since the stars aligned to bring her here, Oona has loved space. Her first step was one giant leap. Her first word was gravity. And with each birthday, Oona's cakes became ascendingly astronomical. Now, after a few more laps around the sun, Oona lives in a world of cosmic curiosity and intergalactic inspiration. Oona dreams of a life in space. Life on Earth is just so-so. One day, Oona will become an astronaut. She will leave the Earth behind. But for now, she is an astronaut in waiting. Oona very much likes the astronaut bit. She is not so keen on the in waiting part. It will take eons to grow this tall. But here's the good bit. Oona has industriously working on an interplanetary plan, with accompanying attire, of course. A fishbowl helmet, sorry Neil, hand-me-down snowsuit from big cousin Carl, Carl's ski gloves, slightly too big but they'll do the trick, Mum's dusty all-white Uggs, still cool, and today is the big day. Today, Oona will finally swap her humdrum, ho-hum life on Earth for an extraordinary extraterrestrial life in space. Once she has packed a big picnic and said so long to Neil, her mission to find life in space. But she will have to get there first. Attempt number 1, soda and mints, fail. Attempt number 2, giant party balloon filled with hydrogen, nope. Attempt number 3, rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There she goes, blasting off into outer space. Space was even more extraordinary than Oona had hoped. There was no so-so, no humdrum, and certainly no ho-hum out there. Mercury. A year on Mercury goes quickly. One Mercury year lasts just 88 Earth days. No life here though. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, with an average temperature of 465 degrees Celsius. That's way too toasty for life. Saturn. No life here, but one of its many moons, Titan, has its own atmosphere. Maybe one day. Jupiter. This whopper is 11 times wider than the Earth and has at least 79 moons. But Jupiter is all gas and no life. Mars. No life on the red planet yet. But it is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system, whose peak is over 26 kilometers above its base. And Uranus. This pongy planet is shrouded by clouds of hydrogen sulfide, H2S. That's the stuff that makes rotten eggs stink. Pew! Too stinky for life to exist here. Oona's mind expanded like the universe with each new moment. Almost at the edge of the solar system, no life so far. Phew! Uranus was really smelly. Am I alone out here? Did I remember to feed Neil? Maybe there is no life in space. Space and time seemed to stand still as she travelled further towards the edge of the solar system. Neptune, the most distant planet in our solar system, is pretty chilly at an average of minus 214 degrees Celsius. No life here either. Brrr. With all of this astronauting, Oona had worked up quite an appetite. So she found a lovely spot on a ring of frozen rocks and launched into her cheese sandwiches and astronaut ice cream. In the distance, something caught Oona's eye. Shining in the light of a nearby star, a tiny blue speck seemed to shimmer as if it were alive. Captivated, Oona quickly packed up her picnic and set off towards it. As she moved closer, Oona could see that the shimmering blue planet was orbiting on a tremendous loop around its star. It's very fast, orbiting at 30 kilometers per second. It spins on its own axis at around 1600 kilometers per hour. It has one moon. It seems to be covered by a very thin layer of gas. An atmosphere. Could this planet support life? What could it be? Had she discovered life in space? A trillion possibilities rushed through Oona's mind as she approached the spinning, sparkling sphere. And just like that, it came into sharp focus. The blue planet was the Earth. Suspended in space, her beautiful blue home now shimmered even more brightly than before. In that moment, Oona made the most marvelous observation. There is life in space. We are life in space, and we are all the crew of the most spectacular spaceship in the universe. Everything we need to explore the cosmos is already on board. Fresh water, air supply, thanks trees, lots of lovely food, especially astronaut ice cream, fellow travellers of all species, shapes and sizes, and plenty of room to live, love, learn and play. With her mission complete and astronaut ice cream supply severely depleted, it was time to return home and begin a new mission. We are all travelling through space right now. The Earth is our spaceship, and it's the only home we've got. It is our mission to take care of the Earth so that we can explore the universe for light years to come. And that's the end of our fabulous book, Give Me Some Space by Philip Bunting. Thank you.